Hi, and join me for this no equipment beginner friendly workout to build strong glutes, toned abs, boost your mobility and fire up your metabolism. Let's start with the warm-up. First exercise is 20 butt kicks. You can do it jumping or without jumps if you want to do a low impact version. Let's go. If you're starting training from scratch or getting back after a long break, I made this 12-step program just for you. It will help you rebuild strength, improve endurance, and feel confident in your body again. Try today, no confusion, no burnout, just results. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay! The second exercise is hip flexor stretch. We will do pulses. Ouch! My knee really hurts from a skating injury. Let's do 10 pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Exercise number 3, bird dogs. Let's do 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. The warm-up is complete. In the next part, we will have 2 different exercises for the lower body. Let's start with the glute bridges. We will do 15 glute bridges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. And the next one is curtsy lunges, 12 reps each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 12. Amazing. The next thing we will do is shoulder taps from the plank position. 12 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the second exercise for the upper body, it will be a Y Superman race, 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The next part will be a very quick cardio burst. We will do skater jumps. If you want to do a lower impact version, do the skater steps. But if you can do jumps, do the jumps. We will do 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, and do it for 3 rounds. Let's start. Great job. Let's do a 10 seconds break and do another 20 seconds of skater jumps. Okay, let's do it. Amazing. Let's do another 10 seconds rest and the last round of skater jumps. Okay, let's do the last round. Great job. As the very last exercise, we will do a finisher, 15 glute bridges hold with pulses. And after that, we will do a cool down. Let's hold at the highest position and do the pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We had to do 15. Yay! Great job. You did so well today. I'm very proud of you for showing up as a cool down. Starting from 0 can feel intimidating, but it doesn't have to. I've built this 12-step program for anyone coming back after a break or beginning for the first time. You will gain strength, endurance, and confidence, one workout at a time. Let's do a stand forward bend. Relax and breathe. Try to keep your knees straight, but if you feel uncomfortable, you can bend your knees a little bit. Breathe and relax. Let's do a seated head to knee forward fold. Bend one leg and bend forward. Don't forget to breathe. Relax. switch the legs. Another leg straight and the other one bended. And let's do the forward fold. And breathe. And as the last part of the cool down, let's do the supine twist. And look in the opposite direction from your knees. Relax your lower part of the spine. And breathe. Let's change the side. Your knees go to the other side. Your head looks to the opposite direction. And relax your back. And breathe.